Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I'll be telling about how to construct the different type of foundations available here. So let me first press Ctrl P in order to view the plan view, and in the plan view suppose let me construct here first columns. Let me construct here one column. So I am not focusing here for the size of the column because I will focus here only for the type of footing available here. So I have constructed one column, and secondly let me place one wall panel. Suppose I will construct here one wall panel. So these are the two things I have constructed here. One is the footing and another one is the wall panel, which I will show you from the 3D. As you can see here, these are the two things which I have constructed here. Its height is 3300. Let me edit it to 3000 height. Okay, and let me edit also up to the 3000 height. Okay, both are of 3000 height. After that I need to construct the footing below these two components. One is the column and another one is the wall panel. So I will go to the concrete, there I will go to the footing, and the two footings are present available here. One is the pad footing and second one is the strip footing. Let me click in the pad footing. After that I will click at the center point of the column. As you can see here, now the pad footing is being constructed. I will again go to the 3D view, rendered view, and as you can see here the pad footing is being constructed here, and even you can check the size of the footing, that is its height is 1500 by 1500 mm dimension, and its height is -500, means from the zero level it's going below 500 mm. So this is how we can construct the footing. Also we can change this property by simply double clicking here. After double clicking, this menu arises, so you can change here everything. You can go here to change the size of the footing. As you can see here, this is the size of the footing, or we can select any kind of specimen for the pad footing. We can also provide circular sections. Suppose I will be providing the circular sections. Okay, modify it. So as you can see here, now I have provided the circular section, but each dimension is very small. So let me provide it just 555. Let me provide each dimensions to 50 instead of 50. Let me provide this 500. Apply it. Okay, after that modify it. As you can see here, now in this manner we can construct it, or again click it and make this as 1000. This is actually for the columns. Let me select for the 500. So make this 500 as 1000. So this is how, actually this one is the height of the footing. So this one is actually the diameter of the footing. Make it this one as, instead of 500, keep it as 1000. Let me change from here. Instead of changing there, let me change from here. Instead of making it as 500, make this diameter as 1000. Okay, modify it. So now as you can see here, in this manner I can change the diameter of the footing, as well as I can change the shape and the size of the footing. Similarly, this is the wall panel available here. Suppose I want to place the another footing for the wall panel, that is strip footing. So I will go to the footing and I will click in the strip footing. After clicking in the strip footing, as you can see here, the two here it's written pick the start point of the footing. I will select the starting point of the footing, and after that to undergo a pick, press backspace, or second point of the footing. This one is the second point of the footing. After that, after clicking the second point, press the middle mouse button. As you can see here, now my spread footing is being constructed. I can change its color code or class, modify it. So this is how the spread footing it looks like. As you can see here, this is how the spread footing, sorry, strip footing looks like. So this is the strip footing. So even I can change its dimension. Suppose I will double click here. After that you can see here, this is the dimension. Suppose I will make it as 3000 by 6000, modify it, it will become very large. Okay, so let me suppose give it as 300 by 6000. This one is the 300 mm width, and this one is the 6000 mm width, and 300 is the height. Make it as 600, modify it. So this is what 600 mm is the width, and height is the 300. I can also increase the height by 500, modify it, the height will increase, height or the depth will increase. So this is how I can make the column, strip footing. Suppose this is the strip footing, I can place here at behind. I can place this one at the middle. After clicking middle, it will come at the, see, as you can see here, this footing will come to the center line, middle of this grid line. If I will place behind, then it will go below. If I will press above, front, then it will go above the grid line. So this is how we can modify the grid, modify the footing height. Suppose I want to place the on the plane, I want to place as it is in the middle, I want to place to the left, then I will place it here left and modify. See, the column has moved to the left portion. Suppose I want to place to the right, the column will now move to the right portion, and at the center line of the grid line, then it will move to the center line of the. So this is how we can do the modifications of the foundations or the footings, and you can create different type of foundations in this manner. So hope it's clear to all of you that how to create the footings below the walls or the columns. So if you like the video, then please press the like button, and thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care.